How to start your free trial on Skillshare. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how you can start your free trial on Skillshare. So let's go ahead. The first step is to open your web browser and in the search box type out Skillshare, and then we brought to the page where you'd see a number of blog posts talking about Skillshare. So once you can see this, select the first one and then you'll be taken to the next page where you can continue the signing up process. All right, for you to get your free trial, you'd have to sign up first of all. So once you're on the Skillshare sign up website, the next step would be for you to select your means of signing up. Do you want to continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or by entering in your first name, your last name, and your email address? So for me, I'll continue with Google. And then by the left side of the screen, you can see a page being displayed there. And then once you can see this, you can see the free trial option. So you can expand it if you want. And in most cases, before you see this page, you would see the option for you to select the email that you would like to use to sign up. All right, so let me show you vividly. So after clicking on continue with Google, like I said, a page will be displayed on the middle of the screen, and then you would have to select the Google account that you'd like to use. After selecting the Google account, scroll down and click on continue, and then click on continue. And once your email has been verified, you'll be redirected to the next page where you can now start your free trial. So once you're on this page, in order to start your free trial, you would have to select your payment method. As you can see, select the payment method. The major payment method here is PayPal, so you can just click on PayPal and then other payment methods will be displayed. So click on that. All right, and the second payment method is by entering in your card number. So in order for you to start your free trial, enter in your card number in here, your expiration date in here, your security code, the country. If you have a gift card or a discount code, ensure you apply it here and then move to the right side. And once you're done, click on start your 7-day free trial and you're good to go. So this is it. All right, this is how cool it is. This is how simple it is. You can easily start your free trial on Skillshare. Thanks for watching and have a good day.